Hello, my name is Kushal Singh, student number ST10482636, and this is my cloud development project, code 6211, and this is Event Ease. Event Ease is currently fully cloud hosted and is using ASP.NET. As you can see in the top of the search bar, it is currently live using the Azure portal. Event Ease ST104, and it is in South African North is our server. So just an overview of the site as a beginning. This is the main home page. It shows featured venues with hover buttons. So if I click it, then it will show everything which needs to. If I go into my venues, those are the same venues over here. Events has everything in here with the advanced search, and booking shows what is currently being booked. So in the venues, let's just say I want to create a new venue. I'm just going to call it test with a capacity of 500 and choose a test image. Create venue. Venue is successfully created. As you can see at the top, I get a message, and there's the test image over here. If I want to edit the thing, call it test 1 or test edit rather, and say save changes. Venue updated successfully, and then it says test edit. If I go to an event, I can manage all of my events over here. So currently the events are able to be searched for. So I can filter it by categories. Concert, apply filter, shows all the concerts which is happening. Conference is the conferences which I have filled in. Exhibitions is Comic-Con. There shouldn't be any weddings because I didn't add any. And workshops is this workshop. If I reset it, it shows everything back to normal. The signed venues also works. So there's a Santon Convention Center. It shows what's happening over there. Same goes for Nasrec and for the rest of them. I can also choose a start date and an end date to work with. Apply filters, and this shows what is currently in that date. I could search as well. So if I were to search Comic-Con shows up. Let's go create a new event. Again, I will call it test event. This I will choose wedding or celebration. Test event. Schedule date. I'll schedule it for the 10th. And I'll choose the same test image file. And there's our test image. So if we go into bookings, again, we can see everything that is currently booked. There's banners for each icon, so we can still see each detail about everything which is happening. We can also edit all of it, choose new banner images. So let's once again choose another one. This is test event. I want it at test, and we'll do 10th. Again, I'm going to use a test image, confirm the booking, and test event is there as well as a notification saying that it has been created. If I delete it, cancel booking, booking has been processed, and then it's no longer shown. Even if I go into events, it'll do the same. And for venues, it should also do the same if I were to delete it, which I'll do later on in the video. I'm using Microsoft Azure currently inside of it. This is my SQL database. My Wi-Fi is a bit slow today. it is currently running. You'll be able to see everything in here. Log. If I were to go to the event ease resource group, this is where everything is saved. It shows everything inside of this group. And for the website itself, app service, this is the same default link. If I open it, it takes me to that page. This is my GitHub repository. I have all of my files inside of it. So in my latest version, I've included mobile friendly ability so that I can update things from my phone as well. So these are all of my views. The virtual machines are currently not working as good as they should be, so I am recording off my tablet. But you can see each of the files. So I can explain to you what everything means. So all of the models have been changed. So the event type is what I added. That is all the events you see over here. Event type. This is for the concert, conference, wedding, exposition, and workshop. The migrations have also been completed, and the website has been published through Visual Studio. Previously, I did configure it with Azurite, and it does use a blob storage. This is the end of my video, and this is my website. Thank you.